Hi guys, another day, another harness from Project K9 Philippines. Share ko lang sa inyo itong shipping for today natin. This is the full body harness for medium breed. Tox is Aspin. So full body, medium breed si Tox. Personalized yung pangalan niya, sublimation type, washable, hindi yan nabubura. And then ito naman yung half body natin for Mayan. Mayan is a golden retriever. Personalized yung logo para sa kanya. So, ganun pa rin, detachable na nameplate tayo. Metal yung D-ring niya, yung square ring. And then yung D-ring niya is 5mm yung kapal. And then ito yung pre-leash natin. Ito yung snap hook, makapal yan guys. And then double lock sa buckles natin. Yan, ang kapal pa rin ito is 8 to 10 mm with breathable back body. Meron din tayong side ring dito. Yan. And then ito naman yung half body natin for medium breed. Yan. For Dachshund. So ganun pa rin kung ano yung tibay ng large natin, half body and full body. Ganun pa rin yung tibay ng medium. So 8 to 10 mm pa rin yung kapal niyan. So dito sa large natin, rubber handle. Dito, nasa loob naman yung padding para sa handle. Okay? And then, meron din tayo ditong mga collar shipping for today. Ang gamit natin dito is Nexus brand ng buckles. So, sobrang kapal niyan guys. Yan. Yan. Kapal nito ng buckles na yan. So, yan. XL to with rubber handle, 5mm D-ring, and then personalized pa rin yung pangalan. Pinalagyan ni client ng cellphone number niya. So this is pink. Ang kapal nito is, ang lapad nito is 2 inches. Ito yung color brown natin. Ganun pa rin yan. XL type. XL type. Ito yung plain black. This is for Sandro. Medyo political yung pangalan niya. And so, shipping for today yan. This is for Aspin, full body. Meron din tayong large nito for large breed. So, yun lang. Thank you.